Okay, everyone's saying we're in the Chicagoland area. I think it's Lansing. Are we in Lansing? Yeah. All right, we're in Lansing. Everyone said Cerro Grande. It used to be called La Balanza, but now it's Cerro Grande. So it's actually a little supermarket, but they have a taqueria in the back. We just filmed the family table episode. We're driving back to Dyer. You gotta try them all until you try them all. Let's go see what it is. Yeah, before we do anything, chicharron just fresh there every single morning. And they got the little bites, they got the big skins in there. So before we even order the taco, we're just gonna try some of this with some of this green sauce. Hair in my mouth. It was already there. Do that again. A little bit of green sauce on here. Oh my God.
I've never tried it.
9-4. 9-4. My life's in shambles right now. There is nothing like this crunch though. There is just nothing in the world like that. Do I even want to get a taco now? All right. $3 carne asada. We're gonna order a few of them up, but I don't know how does it get better than what this is? I don't know. But we're gonna find out right now. So we're waiting for these tacos. I told them just make them however you make them, carne asada. I said we wanted two, one for me and one for my brother. He said, can I just bring you stuff? And so I don't know what's happening. I don't know if I'm paying for it. I have no idea. But look at this. I don't even know what you would do with this. I think it's a cactus. So I think if you cut these up and boil them, it's like napalitos. That's how we know them in Arizona. But I don't know, but look at all this stuff. You got all these plantains and beans and rices, legumes. It's a whole grocery store. A million things of Modelo. That gets to the core of my heart. Look at this. Little chili de árbol. That's crushed red pepper. They're making sauces out of this stuff. Look at this. What is this? I don't even know what this is. Dude, they're just, dude, we got magic juice. What is it? I don't even know what this is. Dude, they don't even tell you. They're just like, buy the juice and eat it. Mole? I don't know, it's a little light for mole, but here, you want to know how you marinate carne asada? Buy your own skirt steak, throw this in a big container, put this over it, in a day you got carne asada. Mango smoothies, looks like some rice milk, green salsas, roasted salsas, guacamoles, all made fresh every day, red salsas. You can buy all your meats here, all your tortillas here. Chicago staple right here, even though we're in Lansing. Chicago staple, Milagro tortillas. This is legit. The chicharron was already off the hook. I can't wait to see what they make for tacos. If you want to talk about impressive, look at how this comes out.
I didn't even come in for that.
Green hun, you want one? Do you want one? You want one? You sure you don't want to try? You can be in my video. Try it and give it a score out of 10. You got to rank it though. You got to take a bite and you got to rank it. So,
and what is your name?
My name is Nick.
Nick?
Yeah.
Nick, I'm Sharon.
Nice to meet you. I'm so happy that you're doing this with me right now. And this is something that's going to be remembered forever. And we're about to make history trying tacos together.
Really?
You ready to do it?
I'm ready.
Okay, so this one got lettuce and tomato and looks like some cheese on it. They got some, looks like some fried onions and some jalapenos. So you tell me how you want to try it. What do you want to do? You want to just take some meat out and try the meat, or what do you want to do?
I'm gonna get some of this.
Okay, so I see cheese, meat, lettuce, tomatoes, and you said something. You've been eyeing that jalapeno. Do you love hot? Do you love spice?
I love jalapenos.
Do you like spicy?
I like spicy.
Yeah, okay, good. So I'm gonna take one jalapeno and I'm gonna also have a bite of it. That's your jalapeno right there.
So, and as usual, I know I'm in public, but I always say God made His food be blessed beyond what human hands can prepare or money can buy. May we both be nourished in mind, body, and spirit beyond our wildest expectations. May you live a wildly, wonderfully, glorious life. Thank you for being you.
Amen.
Ta-da.
Amen.
Amen.
Let's do it.
This is what they call the sugar honey iced tea. That's an acronym in there. You know what that means?
Sugar, honey.
Ah. Yes.
This is.
It's tender. It's tasteful. And it's good. And that's what you want. This is
What's your score?
my score. I'm going to say 9. I want to say
Flat.
10.
9 flat.
9. And why is that? Because I have my own special thing of seasonings.
And if we had a little bit of that on there, we might.
That I put the BAM on it. I put them, you want to call me mama, auntie, but I put the BAM on it.
Okay. So there you, I mean, 9 is an excellent score. I'm like an 8-8. I'm like right up to that 9. It's got good citrus in it. The tortilla is fantastic.
Yeah.
The meat is tender. This has got a little snap to it from being in the fryer. I mean, I think it's excellent. Especially, I mean, you can pick up a 12-pack, pick up a couple tacos, fresh salsas. I mean, it's just really good. And I'm so glad that you looked over here and I said, come on over here, because I feel very special that you did this with me today. So thank you very much.
Isn't it wonderful not to be afraid of people?
I'm not afraid of anything.
And these are the moments they don't capture on the news. They always capture the divisive moments.
Yeah.
The BS between human beings. I don't have a whole lot of words, because if I start talking a lot, it'll come from my head instead of my heart, and I'll mess it up.
That's good. I think what we've done so far is heartfelt. You got, I'm gonna say Auntie Sharon at a 9. You got Nick at an 8-8. We got a good jalapeno. We got some fellowship. We're in Lansing, Illinois. What could be better? What could be better than this right now? 9 and an 8-8. That's a review. Go follow Auntie Sharon and K Flow.
K_Flow.
K_Flow. That is a memorable review.